In a bustling city, tremors shook the ground, leaving residents puzzled. Scientists explained that earthquakes occur due to tectonic plates shifting beneath the Earth's surface. But whispers of an ancient legend spread. It was said that a giant creature, slumbering deep within the Earth, would stir every century, causing the ground to quake. As the tremors intensified, a young geologist discovered a hidden cave with ancient carvings depicting the creature. The twist? The carvings revealed the creature was actually a guardian, protecting the world from a greater threat. The city realized the quakes were a warning, not a curse. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.